Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. And today we have what else but Matic. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. The third tier has a money guarantee back, one-to-one personal trading and of course trading scalping strategy, personal guidance in whatever you want, educational videos to become expert, and as well within one-to-one you will become the best, and many other benefits. Thank you so much for watching. One spot left for this, links in the description box and in the comment section. We work from Telegram, so you send me your username and we are perfectly fine once you join Patreon. Please be careful with the impersonators. Once you join Patreon, you send me a message right there. It cannot go to an impersonator, and therefore we talk together. Let's go right now to see the Matic. So Matic is looking unstoppable. What is that, Bill? Right now I have drawn the gun fund squaring the chart from the top, from this top right here back on Monday 31st October to the bottom on Monday 26th December. And the reason I did that is because I want to show the 8-1 line. This is the 8-1 line, and I want to show how far above are we and in which price target we need to close above. Personally, for gun fund, we need to close above in the weekly scale, the 1.30. If we do that with the gun fund, I repeat that with the gun fund tool, then we are going to explode even higher, and this will be the last resistance level before we go higher. As you can see, Matic right here, I'm going to remove the gun fund because we do not need that for now. We needed the 1.30, okay? I'm going to keep the 1.30 from gun fund, and I'm going into the logarithmic scale. Look at how Matic has been doing insanely good stuff right here. Someone would argue that this could be a head and shoulders pattern, but it was not. It kept going even higher. Right now I'm going to draw also the fib from the top to the bottom. You can see what an important line this is, the 1.30 and of course the 0.618, 1.25 Fibonacci. So this whole area right here is a very hugely important resistance level for the weekly scale. Closing above the 1.25 will be the first good step, but closing above the 1.30 will be the main step that we need to go possibly I would say towards the 1.81. Okay, this is a possible scenario, especially if Bitcoin has become bullish, if Bitcoin is going to get bullish again. This is one of the most probable scenarios for Matic against USDT chart. For example, for me, Bitcoin has been transitioning into a bullish cycle right now. Okay, it hasn't been bearish, it has been bullish. So for Matic as well, 1.80 could be the case we go there, and this is going to be fantastic. You remember that for Matic, 2.94 was the high right here, around 2.923. Okay, 2.923 on Binance. Maybe on another platform it is slightly different, as you all know, but anyway, now Matic has been doing insanely good stuff. Okay, and so this is for the weekly scale. Now, Bill, what is going on in the 4-hour frame? What are we going to do in the daily 4-hour? Are we going to go even higher? By the looks of it, Matic does not want to go down. Okay, despite the fact that we have a very huge high risk right here, we managed to find this, for now at least, and if we go in the 4-hour frame, you can see it better as a support level. But in the 4-hour frame as well, we have a little bit of a nice bearish divergence. But someone would argue that this could be the case, that it is a nice bullish pennant formation in the RSI, right? And therefore, we have climbed above right now, and we are going to explode even higher. It is very true, and it could be the case that this is not a bearish divergence, but it is a longer bullish pennant pattern confirmation that will give us more in the 4-hour frame. Now, going to the really lower time frames, in the 1-hour frame, what we need to do in order to have a massive breakout, we need to close above in the 1-hour frame this line right here, 1.3255. Closing above this line, 1 hour or 4-hour. Okay, 4-hour has a minimum risk. Closing above this line will get us all the way up to the 1.3821. Always remember, this is for the lower time frames, which means for the next few hours. 1.3255 closing above 1.38. If we keep getting rejected from here, Then there is a possible scenario that we retest some lower support levels of 1.2894, 1.2742, and if this happens during the end of the week, then we have less and less chances to close above the 1.30 that we want so much. But if we close above in the next few hours to one day, for example, if we close above on Friday, right here, this would be fantastic, or even today. Okay, it is fantastic that we go to the 1.38, but for now we need to be a little bit careful as we have a little bit of a high risk in the lower time frames. And Bitcoin, of course, Bitcoin is not bullish in the short term time frame yet. Okay, it is going to be bullish into the next weeks, but for now it is not bullish. You have to be extremely careful with it, and of course you have the exact targets provided with MindYourCrypto for Matic. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, especially the third tier has only one spot left, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.